Good morning, everyone. Now I'll show my project demonstration. Let's start uh, by home page. This is this is the home page of my project. The name is Welcome to Hostel A Miss Menu Voting System. Here, for a new user, what we have to do first, he has to do the sign up process, and by this, he can sign up to the system. And now, with the same credential, he can log in. I have some login ID, so if I log in with the my login ID, here I will reach. This is my home page where I can vote or log out. Once I click vote, we have I have all again three options, like whether I want to vote for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Say I clicked on breakfast, so these are I can pick the items from the drop down menu. Th- Whatever I wish to eat for each day I can pick, and so is the case with the lunch and dinner. This menu will be updated dynamically once admin add some new menu. Then every student will can see. I mean, every student can see the updated menu in his drop down box. So this is my breakfast, lunch, dinner. Say if I vote for if I wish to eat bread roll on Monday and then gobi paratha on Wednesday, Tuesday, anything. If I say yes, these are my selection. When I click on vote, you have already voted for breakfast because I I had already voted, so I'm not allowed to vote once again, and hence every student can vote for only one time. So since I have already voted, let me check with the lunch. Okay, lunch. Thank you for voting. Your vote for lunch has been saved in our database. And after voting for lunch, if I want to vote for dinner, let's see. Dinner, okay, fine. Thank you for voting. So lunch and dinner voting has been done. And what if I want to vote again for lunch? Here you have already voted for lunch, fine, and with the dinner, the same. You have already voted for the dinner. So this shows that we can only vote for a maximum of one time. And let's now see the admin section, because this is the student's personal home page. And if I if I go back and see the admin homepage and what are the functionalities associated with that page. If I click on submit, this is the admin homepage. Welcome admin, and admin has these options like insert menu, delete menu, voting results, and of course logout. And these two menu is for controlling the voting lines, like if during the vacations or during the holidays, if admin wants to close the voting line, then what he can do is he can click on simply close voting lines, and you can see voting lines have been closed. The pop-up box will make sure that the voting line has been closed. And if he wants to open again, then simply he can click open voting line has been started. So this is the facility given to the administration of the application. Now in insert menu, he can add a new menu, the breakfast, lunch or dinner, and the proper validation is done. Like if he leaves the place empty, then he will be informed about it. So is the case with the lunch and dinner. So admin can add anything, and of course he can delete as well. And seasonal, because we cannot have the same vegetables all the time. So depending upon the seasons, he can modify the menus, and he can add those menus. So is the case with the dinner. And he can obviously he can see the voting result as well, like if the voting has been done, or even in the meanwhile, I mean, dynamically, say after 1 day voting or after 2 day voting, what is the result. So if we click on breakfast, then this menu will tell him like this is the current voting status. Three persons have been voted for noodles for Monday, and this is coming directly from database. Like whenever there will be update in the database, the admin can see the updated menu and dinner. So by this is the menu where he can decide, okay, finally, I mean, if he close the vote line, then by that time what is the choice, I mean, what is the final result, and this he can display on the notice board, like for this week this will be the menu for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And once he click on home, he can have all those options. And though I'm trying to add some more features in it, and maybe I can add like how much students are there, and how much students have been already registered, and this voting result menu I'll put on the student page as well, so that he can see, at least if he cannot vote, then finally at least he can see the results till now. So this is all about my application. Thank you.